Stop drawing, start explaining. AI Line Studios generates cloud and system diagrams instantly. Clear, structured, production ready.
Hello everyone, welcome to Airline Studio tutorial 54, and today's topic is how to add a breathing node animation in a DigitalOcean architecture diagram in Airline Studio. So after successfully registering on the platform, the first page you would be redirected to is the workspace page. Over there select the cloud architecture, and then the next page you would get a pop-up to select the cloud provider. And as for today's demo, we are discussing DigitalOcean. Please select your cloud provider as DigitalOcean. I have already generated the diagram for my use case, and my use case is multi-VPC hub spoke architecture with VPC pairing in DigitalOcean, and this diagram got generated in just next 15 to 20 seconds. And today we are discussing breathing nodes animation, so kindly enable it from here. It is practically dashed arrows with a dot flowing around it. This shows the flow of the diagram. You can increase or decrease the size from here. You can change the color, you can change the glow color through this. You can increase or decrease the glow intensity. You can increase or decrease the border width using this. You can increase or decreasing the animation speed using this bar. You can increase the breathing intensity through this, and you can increase or decrease the dot size using this bar. So basically this helps you to draw attention to the important components in your architecture. So basically adding a breathing node in Airline Studio helps you to highlight the key elements and make your diagram more visually engaging.